What's up, guys? It's Doing the Guy here. Today, your boy and David are going to be doing some exploring in the forest and surviving. Everything is covered in ice and it's freezing temperatures, and it is actually raining, freezing rain right now, so it's not very pleasant. But as you see, let's go to that creek. Let's go explore the creek. We are exploring, and we have to cook food out here and make a fire. It's gonna be awesome. This is actually really cool here. Yo, look, a tire. Drag tire. Oh, it's been there for a while. So we're just exploring right now. We're trying to find a good place to set up camp and survive. Some intense terrain.
Our plan is to find some good shelter where we're not getting rained on. Make us a roaring fire with the supplies we have, and live life with some good food. Pulling this thicket, it's not very fun getting through here, but we will make it happen for you guys.
He's pulling out the axe. He's using the axe to help him. Guys, you can't tell from the GoPro effect, but it's kind of steep ice. It is crazy here. Oh, he's making it. Okay, so a little bit ago, we found this little side trail out in the woods, and it looks like it's leading to some kind of riverbed. Let's go see what it looks like. Whoa, that's cool. Oh shit, it's slippery, muddy. I gotta be careful. It's gonna be treacherous here. Gosh, man, it's icy. Ooh, is this icy? Oh yeah, that's ice. Okay. Oh, Nikes. Yo! I think I see something. I see a highway. Oh my gosh, there's a bridge. We can take cover under the bridge. Come on, let's go. Dude, we just found a bridge. We can totally take cover there.
Exactly how I imagined going out. Gosh. Whoa, whoa. Yeah.
I cannot believe we found this cool, completely frozen riverbed. It's super awesome. But hopefully that overpass. Yeah, hopefully that overpass is gonna be good to survive under.
I hope there's some dry stuff.
Yeah, I hope it's dry. I hope there's an old. Oh yeah, I really hope there's like an already used campfire under there.
Eventually there are gonna be. Just crackheads.
Yeah.
You know, I bet you $5 it's gonna be a fire underneath there.
Well, okay, I'll do a bet. There's no way there's gonna be a fire under there, bro.
I don't know, man. Some crackhead, something that bad. I don't know.
There's no way someone has a fire.
Underneath there. Some remains of one, I guarantee you.
I doubt it. I'm willing to bet the $5 that there's not gonna be one.
All right, you gotta tell me after this if you're wrong.
All right, let's find out. All right, so basically we have found this little path, kinda. It's not really a path, but kind of is. And oh my gosh, there it is. The underpass in the distance. And it looks like it might be protected under. So
And this is part 2 of the video. How to hijack a high-moving car. High-speed moving car. Yeah.
okay, so today we're gonna be hijacking a high-speed moving car from under a bridge. Let's get going. Oh, there's a hobo. Oh, no, I'm joking. Ah, look at this. No, there is a fire. There goes.
How old this is?
Looks about. I can smell. It smells about a day old. Yeah. Whole underpass to ourselves. Yeah. This is CO2 cars.
Hold that.
Cartridge chilling right there.
Oh.
Oh my god. He's about to blow up.
So this is what we're working with under the underpass. Oh, we got a little hobo's fire that we are going to repurpose. Below freezing. All this walking. It's warming me up. We're just going to put all this stuff on this wall.
Oh, that's a pretty good camera angle. I like it. Alright, so he's gonna get some accent. He's gonna get the accent. I'm gonna get So now the lighting process. We have some firewood here on the side, the main wood here. There's our firewood, and he's gonna light the match. Okay, it's a survival match, so hopefully it gets good in there. Ooh, okay, it's starting to catch.
This is very good.
Now we need to eventually put on these sticks.
Now,
Here,
you guys
you-
grab some kindling?
Yep. You want more? Just a ton?
No.
Get some
Roll them out.
Get some kindling. We'll put it on there, and then maybe start laying some sticks.
In a minute. We gotta get our main thing burning first.
We got the kindling going.
Yeah.
All right, now start laying some sticks like that.
On the side. Careful.
Aeration system going on, and I got a ton of sticks here. Now we want to start making a teepee, right?
Basically.
Okay, so as you can see, we've got the fire pretty roaring, and we're just chilling here, but now we need to see what our food options are, so I'll get what we brought out for my thing. We got some soup in there, but in here we got hot dog buns, beans, and hot dogs. Alright, we're gonna let those hot dogs chill off while we're storing them, because we don't want to.
If you think about it, outside it's probably the same temperature as like a refrigerator, you know?
I mean, yeah, that's true. It's probably fine, but
You never know.
they were in the backpacks, so the cold ice might help. So we're just chilling here. We got some firewood, not a ton of it, but enough, and the hot dogs are down there now. So Once this gets really hot, what's the plan? Are we gonna like take out the fire and use the coals?
I think we'll wait until it simmers down the coals before we start cooking.
Okay, now we're filming. Basically, we got the dogs, and we are going to be using the dogs on this pan, which you guys didn't see, but we basically cleared out a little spot where the embers are, and we're basically cooking with the pan on the rocks. 61% on the GoPro. We got the Bing Chilling batteries.
We're gonna put our first 2 in for now.
You're not gonna do 4 yet?
Not yet, because we're not
We're
gonna
gonna-
do 4 all at once. We have nowhere to put it. You know? Can you get the silverware out?
Yeah, I'll get the silverware. Okay, I'll just continue filming with the Hero 3.
What the?
Our fire's just down there. This camera is so bad. I think I smelled your burp. You sure you want to put your hands in the water? It's gonna be cold.
Whoa, oh my god! It is freezing cold.
Yeah.
You said it's not bad.
I lied.
Oh yeah.
Feel that chat. Put on my jacket because I got a little cold. I'm just gonna sit next to the fire more. But yeah, so we're just out here in the cold eating our hot dogs, and I'll show you guys when we make the bean. Money, money, money. Hey, look at this. Butter, butter. It tastes like a burnt sausage.
His wieners suck.
What's the note to self?
Don't buy $2 wieners.
$2 for 8 wieners. It was $2 for 8 wieners. It was like $3.
You get what you pay for, really. Hey, can you get the can opener out?
You have a can opener?
Yeah, that was smart. Oh, so it can hear everything we're saying?
Yeah.
What if I say I don't like Joe Biden?
That's not.
We're still here, guys. Oh my gosh. I keep on washing that off. Look how dirty that is. Can this one do underwater footage?
No, don't do it. It doesn't have the right case.
Stop. Slips, falls.
Oh my god, bro. He's rail out on the corner. Make a square, like a little square. Or a triangle.
Oh!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa! It is hard!
Why did you touch that? You retard. Alright, dump in the beans! Don't do all of them, just. Oh.
Oh no.
You need a bigger hole, bro.
Here comes the beans.
He's putting in the beans. He's not very good at it, but
That's right.
make a bigger hole. The beans are simmering, just like the instructions said. Put them on the wall like we had them. The beans are starting to explode, guys.
I would like to pick it up, but I literally cannot. It's too hot.
Wait, how are we supposed to put them in our cups now? No! No, David.
Grab gloves. Gloves. Give me your gloves. Grab a glove. Anything.
Here, quick!
Wait, you got my glove.
Because I don't want mine to get ruined.
Alright.
No, put them over there. When I said we were pro bean chefs, that was a lie, as you can tell.
It literally burnt cup. No, actually.
They're acid beans, all right?
No, look at the cup.
Oh my god, the cup is melting from the beans.
Hot.
I don't think they were from the beans. Is it hot? Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's wrong with them? What's wrong with the bean? What's wrong with them? Are they bad? Are they gross? Ew, are they hot?
The lens will melt itself. Isn't that right, Chad? I just tore off the end.
So basically we made a mixture of hot dog, bun, and sausage and bean.
Are you excited?
No. Let's take a shot, man.
I think you get more beans in there. Oh yeah.
What'd you add in here that I don't know about?
Some urine.
And beans.
It's like a pulled pork sandwich.
This is gonna start burning good.
Yeah, it is. How do you like your GoPro? Well done?
Okay, so of course, how expectedly we have the most beautiful huge fire. I was very happy.
I'm going to take off my boots.
Alright, and
Dry them.
ice on fire.
Damn that.
Goodbye, fire. Alright guys, so that was the ultimate survival challenge. We made fire, we made disgusting food, but we survived, and now we're heading home. Because we're not staying the night just tonight for personal reasons. Now, see you guys in the next one, and bye.